so good. All right, guys, this is RocksAnn 2.0. So this is its second round of finishing up. So if you guys that have been following us for a while, remember it came in, we put an engine and axles in it, and the engine lasted like 1,700 miles before it went kaplooey. So now it's got a built 6.6 in it. Beat on this thing as hard as you want, it ain't going anywhere. But while it was here for that, we went ahead and did the OA suspension underneath it. So it's got 12-inch ORIs, our aluminum control arms, all of our suspension. Obviously it's already got the 1-ton axles underneath it. This thing's ready to rock and roll now. It's dirty. Normally when you see the end of a video, it's like really clean and pretty. So at the end of this project, customer was like, I'm taking this thing to Colorado. I'll bring it back to you guys for the 500-mile checkup and to finish up any little things that need to be finished up, but I'm taking it to Colorado. So he and his family hopped in it, took it out to Colorado, put, I don't know, several hundred miles on it, and then brought it back for us to just kind of tidy up a few things and button up a few things that didn't get quite finished up before it left here. So that's why it's all dirty. But yeah, man, here it is. Good old So all in all, basically this Jeep came to us on stock axles with an Evo suspension. We ripped all that stuff out of it, put the 6.6 in it, 1-ton axles under it, OA suspension with 12-inch ORIs. We did a B-pillar chop, cage. We did all kinds of goodies to this thing. It's got a set of 40-inch sticky Mickey Thompsons and 42Z runs. So yeah, this thing, it's got everything done to it, the typical OA suspension, or super build rather. Man, if you got a JK, you want to do a super build on it, give us a call. We'll build you a quote, and we'll get you on the schedule. We're busy, so you got to be patient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, head on over to Rumble. Watch us over there as well. We'll see you guys out there.